Well, hello everyone and welcome. You guys know that I'm always looking for the best security cameras with the most features at the best prices. Well, the other day I came across this outdoor security camera that we're going to be looking at today from Zega. This is a PTZ or pan tilt zoom camera that is 100% wireless and has a great price. This is probably the cheapest 100% wireless PTZ camera that I have come across so far, and in this current economy, it's a bargain at under $60. It also has a lifetime warranty, and the body has a stylish color instead of the boring white color that most cameras use. So I decided to try it out and see if it's something that you guys may want to consider if you're looking for a PTZ security camera. One cool thing also is that you can order more than one camera and get a discount for buying in bulk, which is also a really great way to save money if you're looking at installing more than one camera. Plus, they all work on the same app, so it's easy to control them all at the same time from one device. So let's take a look at this camera and see how it performs. But before we do that, if you enjoy watching honest tool and product reviews plus helpful DIY projects, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I produce another product review video or DIY video. Alright, here's a shot of the box for you. Let's open this guy up and see what I got this time. Alright guys, so when you unbox this puppy, this is everything you get. Now this is the 100% wireless solar PTZ security camera from Zega, available on their website, link in description below. At the time of making this video, this kit retails for $59.99 and free shipping. For under 60 bucks, this is a bargain in today's economy. Most of these cameras are close to 100 bucks or over. So for under 60 bucks, this is a really great deal. That's why I decided to check it out. So what do you get when you unbox this guy? Well, you get the camera itself, you get a solar panel to power it up. Like I said, it is 100% wireless. You get the owner's manual that tells you everything about this guy, how to set it up, how to use it, all that kind of good stuff. And it comes in 5 different languages, so everyone should be able to use this without any trouble whatsoever. You also get a bracket for the solar panel, you get mounting hardware for the 2 devices, and you get a power cable if you want to power this up by plugging it into house current if you choose to do that. If you don't want to, you have the solar panel. Totally up to you, a lot of flexibility. This guy also comes with a lifetime warranty like I mentioned previously, which is really a great deal. And it's very compact compared to other cameras. The dimensions on this guy are 5 inches by 3.5 by 5 inches. Very compact. The solar panel is 7 inches by 5 inches. Again, very compact. Easy to mount this just about anywhere you want. These guys are both IP65 dust and waterproof, so you have no concerns about putting it outside, regardless of the weather in your area. Dusty, windy, snowy, rainy, whatever, this guy will take care of it, no problem whatsoever. This guy is powered up by an 8,000 milliamp battery that you power it up with free solar energy, so it doesn't cost you anything at all to run this camera. The solar panel can be installed separately from the camera, has a nice long cable to it, and it can be installed up to 3 meters or 9 feet away from the camera, giving you great flexibility as to how you mount these 2 guys in the shade, in the sun, whatever the case may be, gives you a lot of flexibility. The resolution on this guy is 2K, giving you a 1920 by 1080p HD video recording. And you can record and store video on the cloud or on an SD card because it has a little slot right there where you put in an SD card and you can record everything locally and you don't have to pay for cloud service if you don't want to. This guy can record in color day and night vision. It also has 2-way recording, has a microphone and speaker so you can talk to whoever's on the other side of the camera. This guy comes with motion activated recording with PIR human detection to reduce false positives. This guy also pans, tilts, and zoom. Like I said, it's a PTZ camera. It'll pan 355 degrees and it'll tilt 100 degrees. You notice I said 100 degrees, not 90 like most cameras out there. The beauty is that it has no bracket on the bottom like a lot of other cameras do. The brackets are only on the side, allowing you to see all the way down and a little bit more, which means it's great for security reasons because no one can hide under the camera. If someone is trying to hide from your view, a lot of times they'll just get right under the camera. But with this guy, you can see all the way down and no one can hide there. So this camera is really great for monitoring a large outdoor area on your property with just one camera. Instead of having a fixed and limited view like some cameras, this camera can pan, tilt, and zoom to see anywhere, anything that's on your property. Being 100% wireless also means that you can mount this camera anywhere you choose. Mount it on the post, a fence, a tree, or just about anywhere you want, because you'll have no cables to worry about limiting your installation. Having a detachable solar panel also gives you great flexibility, allowing you to mount the camera in a shaded area if necessary, but still mount the solar panel up to 3 meters away in a sunlit area, giving you free solar power. So let's hook this guy up and see how it performs. Alright guys, so let's talk a little bit about how to get this guy set up. When you first get it, you have to download the app. The U-Box app is what you're going to download, and there's a QR code in the owner's manual that will take you right to the App Store, and you're going to download it, Android, iOS, whatever you have, no problem whatsoever. Download it on your phone, your tablet, whatever you want to use, it works for either one of them. And what you're going to do is you're going to turn on the camera. It has a little button on the back here, on-off button. Turn it on, and it may have power, it may not. That is when this cable comes in handy, because you're going to want to power it up, at the minimum halfway. If you want to go full charge, that's a great idea right there as well. But you need it powered up so you can get it set up. So once you charge up the battery somewhat, download the app onto your phone or tablet, and then, typical thing you need to do, email, password, verification, all that kind of stuff. You'll have your own account all set up and ready to go. So what you do then is when the app is already set up and ready to go, it talks to you. Literally, the app will talk to you through your phone and walk you through every step of what you need to do. The camera will also talk to you and tell you when it's ready. And then the app will tell you every single thing you need to do. It'll tell you what to do. Enter email password. Enter password for Wi-Fi. Click for the next step. Click when you're ready for pairing. It'll tell you everything you need to do, so you really don't need to read through this unless you want to. Anyway, so what happens is once you get everything set up, the QR code will be sent to your phone. You point that towards the camera. After a few seconds, it'll say, camera is paired, everything's ready. And it'll just spin for a few seconds. The icon on the phone will spin for a few seconds, telling you it's doing some work, and then bam, you're all set up and ready to go. The camera's fully functional. That easy. It literally takes a couple of minutes just to get that set up, and you're off and running. So I already got this guy set up. You see the blue light right there. Once you see some activity, the blue light comes on and tells you it's ready to go. So let's start looking at some footage, and I'll show you what this guy looks like. Alright guys, so here we are in my garage. I set up the camera so you can see what it looks like inside here in the garage with all the lights turned on. Now I'm going to turn off the lights in just a moment so you see what the color night vision will look like. The camera will adapt and it will turn on its LEDs, and that way you'll get full color night vision. But you can see it actually has very beautiful color daytime vision when you have enough light and all the lights are turned on. We're going to go outside in the backyard in a moment, but let's look in here first and see what this looks like. So I'm going to turn off the lights right now and we'll see what that does. Alright, there you have it. So I turned off all the lights. There's not a single light in this garage right now, and the camera basically turns on its little LEDs that it has, and look how powerful these really are. It lights up the entire garage. So you have full color night vision at night as well. So there you have it, a beautiful image with the light from the camera itself. So let's set it up outside and we'll see what that looks like. Alright guys, so there you have the camera mounted outside so you can see exactly what it looks like when you have it mounted. Nice color that it has to it, see it from different angles, and I'm going to move away from it right now so you can see the solar panel. I mounted it out as far as it will go at the full 3 meters or 9 feet away from it, giving you some idea how far away you can put that solar panel away from the camera, giving you a lot of flexibility. So there you have it. Alright guys, here we are looking through the U-Box app, looking through the camera, and we're looking outside at my backyard, and it's the middle of the morning, and as you can see, it's very dirty and very messy out there because it's been a very windy day. This is the least windy that has been all day. That's why I took this opportunity to start shooting right now, because otherwise it'd be rather distracting and difficult for you to see anything. But as you can see, we have a very nice image of my entire backyard. You can see everything that you want to, and if you want, we can zoom in, and you can see right there, you can see how the wind has knocked over that plant that I have way over there. And that's about 40, 50 feet away from the camera, let's say. So you can see that you can zoom in very nicely and still see a lot of detail quite far away. Like I said, 40 to 50 feet, that's a good distance right there. Then it's like a phone. All you do is pinch and zoom and so forth, and you get it that way. And there you go back. You see the entire backyard all over again, and we're back to normal. And right now, we don't have the controls on the screen, but if you tap the screen, the controls show up, and that way you can maneuver the camera any way you like. And you can either tap it or hold it, like right there. I just tapped it and it moved one increment, but if I hold it, it'll go all the way continuously until I take my finger off of it, then it'll stop. So that's one thing. You can see the trees moving, so a little bit of wind starting to kick up all over again. So let's go back to the center, and I'll tell you what I mean as far as what I said previously, having the 100-degree tilt. Let's tilt all the way down, and you can see right there that I can see anything that's under the camera, no matter what it is. You can't hide from this camera all the way down. If somebody was standing there trying to hide, I could see it very easily, very conveniently. So let's go all the way back up, and I can see everything back up here. So there you go. That shows you what it looks like in the middle of the day. And here we are at night. So here you have it, guys. Here's the camera. We're looking through the camera right now. You can see my backyard, and it lights it up beautifully. The little LEDs that it has on it really powered up very nicely and give you a beautiful color night vision. So this is really quite nice coming from this little camera. So there you have it. Beautiful color night vision at night in the middle of the night. Lights up everything, even when it's totally pitch black outdoors. There you go. Alright guys, there you have it, a review and demonstration of a very affordable 100% wireless PTZ security camera. I think this is a great camera for the money. It's very affordable, easy to set up, and gives you great daytime and color nighttime video recording. It also comes with a lifetime warranty, so you have no worries about the longevity of this camera. Being 100% wireless means that you're free to set up this camera anywhere you want. Being a PTZ camera means that you can see a larger area of your property without having to mount multiple fixed position cameras. Unlike other cameras where the solar panel is sold separately, here you get the camera and the solar panel all included for a nominal price. Check out their website for complete details. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.